I think Ahan Pandey. So we were actually in the same workshop together long back. He has written, directed and produced the film. तो अभी सब होने के बाद जब हमारा प्रोडक्ट ऐसे अच्छा बन गया, I want to work with Imtiaz Ali sir. You know, Ladies vs. Vicky Behel, how you can like smoothly just whisk it in front of your eyes and you won't even notice. Be smooth like that. अगर ऐसे मुझे कभी रोना होता है ना, तो चाहे मैं कुछ भी सोच लूँ, मुझे आंखों में आंसू नहीं आते. पूरी मूवी आइड से एक तरफ और वो लास्ट के 15-20 मिनट आप बोलते हो कि like what? When you move to Bombay, that is your dream, right? Like
Yeah.
to watch yourself in a theater.
Hello everybody, this is Manisha. Welcome to Social Nation. Today we have with us someone who you might have seen as Chaya on Immature, and that cute girl now has matured and how as Isabel in Murderbad. So welcome, join me in welcoming the cutest, the bubbly, the pyari. Hi Kanika Kapoor, how are you feeling?
Hello Manisha, I'm feeling good. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, but we are talking to you on a very nerve-wracking day. It
Yes.
is day one.
Release day.
Yes, how are you feeling? How are you feeling about that?
I'm super excited. I'm also a little nervous, and yeah, I mean, हमने तो हमारा तो शायद जो हम like the premiere has happened, but
Yeah.
उसमें तो mostly our friends and family saw the film. तो ये भी हो सकता है कि biased feedback हो, तो अभी असली feedback आएगा. So I'm a little nervous about that, but
Have your
positive.
fans reached out already with feedback?
अभी मैंने चेक नहीं किया है पर हाँ मतलब लास्ट दे वर अ फ्यू ऑफ देम वर गोइंग टू वॉच द फिल्म और ये सब स्टोरीज थी.
But there's also a lot of talk on, say, OTT versus theaters, right? I want to know what's your view on it, and how has this journey been to finally go from an OTT to the big screen for you?
See, the feeling of seeing yourself on the big screen, you can't match it to anything
Yeah.
else, I think. And when you move to Bombay, that is your dream, right? Like
Yeah.
to watch yourself in a theater. And to see that coming true, I've done a film before, but I was the parallel lead in that film. तो अभी ये मेरी movie है, इसमें मैं lead हूँ. तो so just to see that and to also see your parents and your grandparents watch it along with you is a feeling that can't be matched. I mean, I'm not saying कि OTT की अलग है. Like OTT में obviously there's no censorship, so you can
Yeah.
show a lot more, a lot of things, and so that is there. But थिएटर तो थिएटर होता है ना, तो मूवी होती है ना. So that.
That's true. Now here, this is a murder mystery, right? So I want to know how is it playing a character like this? Thriller.
It's not exactly a murder mystery. That's
Isn't
the
it?
thing. So we were not really revealing it अभी
Okay,
तक,
okay.
क्योंकि ऐसे climax का कुछ है. But it also talks about this psychological disorder, which I will not reveal right now, which has not really been addressed or at least spoken a lot about, or a lot of things have not been made on that topic, especially in India.
Okay.
So it is about that and how if that is a crime or not, and how there are also no laws in India catering to that. So it's very interesting. अभी मैं पूरा तो obviously नहीं बताने वाली,
मैं तो घुस गई कि
but
क्या है story?
good. So please watch it. So
I
it's a
will.
lot about that also.
Yeah. Okay.
So yes.
Okay, now Murderbad, quite the thriller to watch, especially in a place like Jaipur. How was the shooting in Jaipur?
Amazing. We also shot in a few other places in Rajasthan. जैसे हम खिमसर में हमने शूट किया था. आप गए हो कभी खिमसर?
नहीं.
वहाँ बहुत सारे सैंड ड्यून्स हैं.
नहीं.
थोड़ा जैसलमेर वाली वाइब है, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे हमने वो सॉन्ग जो मस्त मस्त
Yes.
उसमें जो हम ऊँट पे ऐसे बैठे हैं, वो खिमसर है. एंड मोस्टली जयपुर एंड थोड़ा सा मुंबई, और a lot of the chunk of this film is also shot in North Bengal. So in Chalsa, which is near Darjeeling.
Okay.
So yes, that is.
I know you're also a foodie because you're from Delhi.
Yes.
What did you eat in Jaipur?
What did I eat in Jaipur? जयपुर में हमें बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलता था, और हम थोड़ा आउटस्कर्ट्स में थे. बट हमने वहाँ पे कचौड़ी खाई थी. और अभी कोई तो वहाँ की फेमस जगह है विच इज़ नॉट रावत. आई चेक, आई थिंक यू सीन माई लास्ट इंटरव्यू, बट उसमें मैं 2 जगह से
Yes.
सम्राट की कचौड़ी खाई थी, जो कि
Okay.
बहुत स्वाद थी. और वहाँ पे एक जगह है पारो, आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो. तो हम वहाँ गए थे, और वहाँ पे ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे कोई जैसे डोम जैसे बिल्कुल आर्किटेक्चरली सुंदर जगह होती है ना, वैसी थी. तो वहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज़ें ट्राई की थी. बस एक ही दिन ऑफ था, तो हमने बस कुछ खास कर नहीं पाए हम.
Very cute. But I also have noticed that with Immature, with this, you have a very cute romantic angle that also comes across in your story.
Yes.
So I first want to know, how is Kanika as a romantic person? How are you as a partner?
How am I as a partner? I think I'm जैसे ना I'm very practical in my work. I'm very impractical in love, I think, and all thanks to all the movies spoiling me. But I really believe in that. ऐसे बहुत ही शिद्दत वाला प्यार नहीं होता जो
Old school romance.
हाँ. So I'm like that, and I think हाँ मतलब मैं पूरा ऐसे डूब जाती हूँ प्यार में, मैं वैसे इंसान हूँ.
What's your love language though?
I don't remember कितनी होती है, 5 होती हैं.
Yeah, gift,
तो-
service,
Uh,
touch.
हाँ.
और क्या क्या है?
See, I'm sure physical touch is one of them, but वो जो communication को क्या बोलेंगे in your love language thing?
I don't know, yeah. Those 5 if
So
you have
why
to
are you asking me
categorize.
the
Arey, see, now I don't know categories properly. But I know one's touch, one is gifts of service, one is acts of service.
Acts of service, physical touch. आपसे तो मुझे मालूम है.
अरे
रुको.
I told acts of service.
रुको
हाँ,
और
please.
भी और
तू ढूंढ ना.
Word of affirmation.
words
Words
of
of
affirmation.
अरे यार,
Yeah.
okay, so simple.
हाँ.
What was the last one? We forgot
Quality
one.
time, gift giving.
Quality time.
Okay, so words of affirmation I think is very important for me because मेरे लिए communication, words बहुत ज़रूरी है. Physical touch is also there. Quality time तो obviously I think gifts इतने
It's not that
It's
important.
not, yeah.
I agree. So how much of that experiences of your own do you put when you're playing these characters? What's your process of that?
It totally depends on the
The scene.
script. जैसे कभी कभी होता है कि it's easier for me to put my real things in happy moments.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But अगर ऐसे मुझे कभी रोना होता है ना, तो चाहे मैं कुछ भी सोच लूँ, मुझे आंखों में आंसू नहीं आते, तो उसके लिए मैं कोई टेक्निक, फिर थोड़ा सा मैं ब्रीदिंग और वो सब यूज़ करती हूँ.
Okay.
और कुछ कुछ चीज़ों के लिए मैं एक्चुअल इमोशंस यूज़ करती हूँ.
Very interesting. Now I have some fun cast questions that I have. Okay. A
Okay.
few tags that you have to give to people from the cast of Modawat. First one's, who was the go-to person for gossip on set?
Gossip on set.
Don't tell me nobody did gossip. Come on.
Gossip. I was very close to Saloni. So I will not say we used to gossip a lot, but अगर हमको कुछ discuss करना था तो then I would go to Saloni. Saloni,
Okay.
yeah.
Who broke character the most during
Who
scenes?
broke character the most?
All of y'all was so good at your jobs.
No one broke character.
Really?
Yeah.
Messed up lines or anything, no?
No.
Wow, I am shocked. Okay. Now, without revealing much, can you tell us about your favorite scene or part of playing your character in Modawat? Without revealing
See,
much.
the
Yeah.
climax for sure. So obviously I can't reveal anything about it, but the climax is my favorite scene of the film, and basically the last 15-20 minutes are my favorite part of the film, and पूरी movie I'd say एक तरफ, और वो last के 15-20 मिनट आप बोलते हो कि like what, like it's like that. So
She's just making us go watch the film so we understand what she's talking about. All right. The film, if it was in real life and you had to cast, say, the first, who would be the prime suspect? Say, for example, आपकी जो film है, उसके characters real life में, all these main characters of the film, who would be the prime suspect if a murder has happened from the cast?
ये तो फिर movie पूछ रहे हो आप.
I'm to saying
Maybe Maqsood,
In-
Sharib Hashmi, maybe
Oh.
him.
detective. Like who have those real life.
Oh, like that.
yeah,
Okay, fine.
of-
So, yeah, yeah, same. My answer is still the same.
Okay.
And detective me.
You?
I'm really curious. I ask a lot of questions. I want to know everything. So I think me.
Or the mastermind that no one saw coming.
Ooh. I want to say me again, but I can't. So let me say mastermind. So there is Ravina in our film. She also plays a cop. I think her. Like she acts all funny, but she can be the mastermind.
Very interesting. Now, same question if you had to cast for, say, Bollywood actors. Who do you think would make a good set of, say, prime suspect, detective, and the mastermind?
Any actor I can say.
Any random. This is
तो
random.
फिर से
This is
पूछो अभी
general.
क्या
Same categories,
हाँ.
but for Bollywood actors now.
तो पहले क्या suspect?
Suspect.
You want me to name a guy or a girl?
Anybody.
You're confusing me. Give me like specific things to choose
Okay,
from.
boys.
Okay. Suspect. कोई ऐसे लगता नहीं है
You don't think anybody can be
Of
murderer
course.
types?
I'd say Randeep Hooda.
Oh, damn. It's a very good one to choose
Yeah.
from. Detective.
Detective. Detective. अभी मैं कोई लड़की का नाम बोलना चाहती हूँ.
हाँ.
शिफाली शाह.
Damn. I was thinking of Shilpa Shetty.
Okay, yeah, maybe she can do, but I saw Shifali Shah.
Mastermind.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Array, wow, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Who do you think has been murdered in this
In this,
scenario?
तो
that you've
हमारा
chosen?
victim तो रणदीप अच्छा
It's the prime suspect. ना?
सस्पेक्ट था सॉरी मर्डर किसका हुआ है अभी वो शिल्पा शेट्टी वाली वो मूवी याद आ गई मुझे क्योंकि आपने बोल दिया
अरे यार.
तो अभी वो बाजीगर तो शिल्पा शेट्टी
All right. Now this is another last game segment. I will give you a few fun situations in 3 names of Bollywood actors. Okay, you have to. Now in this case, you are the detective, so you have to choose who has done this particular situation.
Okay.
Say for example.
This is like coffee with Karan. This is what are you doing?
All right. The first one is okay. An award goes missing moments before red carpet begins. Who do you think has stolen the award? Okay, matlab because the award's gone missing, who has stolen it? Your suspects are Ranveer Singh, Kangana Ranaut, and Ayushmann Khurrana.
I think I'd pick Ranveer Singh because he can very smoothly, you know, Ladies versus Ricky Behel, how he can like smoothly just whisk it in front of your eyes and you won't even notice. So he's smooth like that, I think.
Very interesting. Now, at an after party, the champagne gets spiked. Who do you think is spiked it? Ranbir Kapoor, Vedang Raina, or Ori?
Ori. I mean, I don't know anyone, but Ori just seems to be the most fun and notorious.
Yeah, he gives that
Yeah,
vibe.
so
Yeah.
maybe him.
On set, someone plays a prank that has gone a little too far. Akshay Kumar and Ajay Devgan are your suspects.
I think Akshay Kumar because I've heard a lot
He
of...
plays a lot of pranks.
Yeah.
Now the last one, I really want to know this. If you had to play a rom-com with someone, who would you choose? Okay, these are the recent trending boys.
Okay.
Ahan Pandey, Ibrahim Ali Khan and Ishan Khattar.
I think Ahan Pandey. So we were actually in the same workshop together long back.
Very interesting.
In 2017, I think.
That way long
So,
back.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So we were in the same workshop that time, and both our films are now releasing on the same.
That is, oh my
date,
god, I
which
had
is
no
really
idea.
cool.
That's
Yeah.
really cool.
So maybe him.
Oh, that's really sweet. But that was my next question also. How does it feel when you have your film coming up and another film coming up, when there are multiple releases like this? What are those nerves like?
There are a lot of films releasing
Yeah.
when our film is releasing. So obviously we, and because our film is not backed by a big production house, it is made by an independent filmmaker
Yeah.
who has written, by the way, who's only 25 years old. He has written, directed and produced the film. तो अभी सब होने के बाद जब हमारा product ऐसे अच्छा बन गया, but the main thing is distribution, right? तो अब उसके थोड़े से I'm sure like we are facing a little issues because इतनी सारी releases हैं, but अभी उसका हम it's not in our hands,
That's
right? We
true.
can just promote it as much as we can. Hope कि वो अगर ऐसे first 2-3 days में if a lot of people watch it, then we may get more screens. So I'm just praying for all of that to happen. Yeah.
All right, that's true. Now, to end this, what do you want to manifest for your future after Modabat?
Oh,
What's
so
coming
many
up?
things. But I have been saying this in all of my interviews.
Yeah.
And I love how he thinks of characters and और उनके हर कैरेक्टर मतलब कोई तो इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा होता है उनके कैरेक्टर में which I would love to play.
Yeah.
And so yeah, that is what I want to manifest.
Now, what's your dream what does your dream character look like?
What does my dream character look like?
कि एक तो अभी with OTT you've done something as cute as Chaya. Now you're doing something
हाँ.
as intense as this.
Yes, so I've also not done comedy, but I think I love playing. Mostly, I like playing थोड़े से ऐसे कि कुछ और सोचा था और कुछ और निकल जाता है ना. That is my favorite thing. I also really like that movie Highway by Imtiaz Ali
Imtiaz
sir.
Ali, yeah.
But that character of Alia Bhatt also in that film. That's something that I would love to play.
That's amazing.
Yes.
With that, we come to the end of our conversation with Kanika. This felt really short. I wish we could have spoken more, but make sure you all catch Murder Bath right now. It has released, so all the best to you.
Thank you.
For now, let's say bye to her. For more such content, make sure you all follow us. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.